Subscribe to Beautification channel for all craft and DIY videos. Also hit bell icon to get updates. It's totally free.
Hi guys, this is Purnima and welcome to my channel Beautification. So today I'm going to show you how I made these beautiful gold hoop earrings. You can wear it with an Indian wear or you can wear it with Western wear. It will go with everything. So as you can see that I've only used 4 things to create this beautiful earring. I've already had this golden hoop and you can use materials from your old earrings and you can easily buy all this material from any craft shop. And as you can see that I just used the hoop and the hook, and all you can use your hand, but to make the clasp extra tight I've used that pliers. You can use any instrument that you have with you to make the hook very tight, and you can leave it like that. It's a hoop, you can wear it like that, but I really wanted to add a stone touch to it, so I added this gold stone with the black detailing on it, and I used Fevicol to attach to it, and that is how I created these beautiful earrings. Guys, this can be yours. I'm giving it away. You just have to subscribe to my channel and have to comment that why you want it, and it can be yours. So I will announce the winner in the next video. Thank you guys.